Hey, so I thought I'd hop on and open up one of the things I've been most excited about, and somehow it's made it down to the bottom of the list as far as how long it's taken me to open it. But it is our set called the Jellies, and they are these gel lip glosses that just remind me so much of the 90s, and they're so fun and bright colors. They also, like, one of the things I'm excited about trying is that they each have their own scent that's limited edition, and they are sweetened with stevia, so they're going to be a little sweet when you put them on. But I just think these are so fun. They're gorgeous. Would make perfect little stocking stuffers and gifts for friends and family. So let's try them on. There's 5 different ones. We have raspberry. Let's see if I can do it in order here. Raspberry, sorbet, peppermint, butterscotch, and orange cream. So let's get started. We will start with the raspberry one, and they come in these like squishy little gel type packaging. There's no synthetic fragrance in them, which is awesome. Oh yeah, and look, it has the, I don't know if you can see it, but it has which one it is on the back. So this one's the raspberry one. Like, I can already smell it just from opening the box, which was really fun. And it's got like a little soft little application tip similar to the packaging, like the little jellies. So I'm just gonna squeeze. Let's see. See it come out a little bit. There it comes. And then across the lips to apply. It is so fun. It smells really good. And I can taste it too. So, I've seen some people doing really awesome things with these, like putting little holes in the top and adding them to keychains, which I think is an awesome idea, and I might even do some of that for some of the gifts I have to give. The smell is really good. Like, I can smell it. Yeah, I said I could smell it when I opened the box. But it's gonna last for a while, I do believe, because it's strong. So it's pretty much like a lip gloss, but it's kind of like more sensory, I guess, because I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can try the next one. I like how it did give me like a pink tint to this one too. So this is the darkest pink one. So we'll see what the other colors look like. But like what I was saying, I think it's super fun that these are really sensory and just fun to play with. Okay, so this one, let me see, did the first one didn't look like it had any sparkle to it. It was more like a matte color, or just not really matte, but just the color itself. This one, which is sorbet, looks like it has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it through the camera very well, but we'll put it on and see. It's a really light shimmer. It's like pretty much the color of the jelly lip gloss color. All right, so here comes this one. I don't know if you can see it coming out. I'll also be interested to see which scent I like better. Okay, so the raspberry one obviously was like a little bit more fruity than the sorbet one. This one is just really sweet smelling to me. I don't know if you guys can see how it's shimmery or not. I can see a little bit. It's like, it's lighter obviously than the other one. The other one is a lot bolder of a color. But it still wasn't too bold. Like, if you have teens or anything that would want to wear these, I think that they would be just fine. They're not extremely bold, yet it gives you a good little bit of color, I think. I don't know if I like this one better than the raspberry one or not. I don't know. Okay, let's see if I find another one that I like better. All right. Peppermint is next, and it is white, and it's very shimmery and sparkly. A little bit of green I see as I go across the shimmer in the light I have in here, but this one's probably just going to be pretty clear with shimmer, maybe a little, probably mainly greenish sparkles. I don't know if you'll see this one coming out or not. There it is. So this is Peppermint, and I really like it, but you have to like Peppermint, I guess, to be a fan of this one. But it's really strong, and I love the smell of peppermint, because you know, like if you're using the oils and stuff, it just helps you kind of calm down and relax. And so since this one is like such a sensory filled little lip gloss, I like putting the peppermint products on my lips just so I can smell it. It kind of helps me relax. So that would be one reason I would vote for this one as maybe my favorite. I don't know if you can see you can see a little shimmer in it probably. But yeah, just real clear. Obviously this is great for tweens. If I wanted to wear it, I might wear it over a lipstick, maybe even one of our peppermint ones, so that it gets like that double punch of peppermint mintiness. And a little bit of sweetness makes it feel kind of like a peppermint stick or a candy cane. Okay, two more. I think I already said there was no synthetic fragrances in this, so that makes these safer. So you can be assured that you're giving something safer this season as well, especially for younger kids. I'm always more concerned about like what I'm putting on my daughter as well. So this one is Butterscotch, which makes me just think holidays completely. It's like this light golden color, caramely color, like butterscotch would be. And let me see it coming out here. There it is. Okay. And I think it smells just like butterscotch. So you can see it's a little bit like got the golden tint. This one, well, this one does have a little hint of shimmer, gold shimmer, but it's very, very light, I feel like. This one might make even a better topper than the plain clear one if you just wanted that subtle hint of you know, shimmer, but you want that gloss over your lip gloss. Let me see, I'm going back to that first one, the raspberry, to see if it had any shimmer at all. And it doesn't. So this raspberry one doesn't have any shimmer. It's got more of a bold color, and then the other three that I tried on so far all have their own hint of shimmer. I really like this scent more than I thought I would like it. Butterscotch is a fun scent for the holidays. Okay, one more, and it is Orange Cream. If I can get it out here. And this one doesn't have sparkles. So 2 without sparkles or shimmer, and 3 that have it. Orange Cream, this one, I wouldn't be surprised if this one's my favorite. It's like a bolder orange color. I'm not sure it's going to be as bold as that first pink one, though. We'll see. But I love orange scent, so this one, I would be surprised if this one ends up being my favorite one. There it comes. Just squeeze it out. I like the way that these apply. I think that's really fun. Yeah, a big hint of citrus smell from the orange. But it's kind of that creamy scent too, if you know what I mean, like the orange cream scent. So it's not just a full punch of like that citrus scent. It's kind of a little more subtle, but it's still got that strong orange scent. So I don't know which one I would pick my favorite. Let me see. You guys can see this one. Oh, I really like this orangish one. The orangish tint looks really nice. It brings out kind of like golden brownish colors, I feel like. Similar to the other one, but more on the, I guess my lips are pink underneath, so it still leaves a little bit more pink than the goldenish one did. Man, I don't know which one's my favorite. I think, well, I know the top three probably are raspberry peppermint and the orange cream, but I don't know which one I would grab. Like, go back to and grab over and over. You know, sometimes I get one I just like when I pick up all the time, or if it'd be something where I just want to switch it out depending on how I feel. But that's the Jellies. They come in this gorgeous packaging. And I have on the orange cream one right now. I guess if I'm considering like all of them, I kind of like the way this orange cream one looks on right now. But I also like having fun with the shimmery ones a lot too. Like in the lip gloss fall we have for the holidays, they have some really great shimmer colors in there. And sometimes it just brings fun in another aspect of your life that you might not have thought could bring fun or something new. And so that's why I like wearing them sometimes. But that is the Jellies. Grab these quicker than you might think. I think these are going to be one of the top sellers this year. So make sure you don't miss out on them if they're on your wish list. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them for me or message me. Hit like if this was helpful to you and hit subscribe. Thank you guys for joining me today.